All right, so for today, our discussion board prompt is to evaluate the log expression below and place them on the number line on your own paper or printed off paper, whatever you have. So you can print this page if you need to at home and be able to get that answer out. So do these mentally and do not use a calculator. Let's put Desmos away for right now. Let's put the Inspires away for right now, and let's just get this. That Inspire joke was there for Mr. Coble, even though he does not watch these. So you may want to check later on the calculator after you're done to make sure that you've got it right. So it's always good to check. Respond describing how you knew where to place each expression. So what you're going to do is you're going to place how you knew in the reply to put each expression. So for each one of these, you're going to kind of do that around the world technique. So thinking about this as what power of 3 would I have to have 3? So A is going to go here. Why? Because 3 to the power of 1 is 3. Around the world, what power on 3 do I get to be 9? So we'll put a B right here. What power on 3 do I get to get 1/3? That goes back to our exponent rules, negative exponents. That's going to be a -1. What power on 3? Remember, log means what power. So what power on 3 do I have to get 1? And so the only power I can get there is 0. The power of 0 gives me 1. And then what power on 3 do I get to be -1/9, which is going to be 2. So that's where you would put each one. E goes to -2, C goes to -1, D goes to 0, and A goes to 1 and B goes to 2 for that first one. So what you're going to do to explain it is then you're going to write out, right, for part 1, when you come to your reply, right, A, when you explain and you do your explain, you say log means what power? So using or converting, how about we say, so converting the logs to exponentials, you can find what each log equals. And that is where they lie on the number line. So the powers or the answers are the numbers on the number line. Your work can also be an explanation because you will have part B, and that explanation can work for the same one. Now those were log base 3. So the next one kind of changes which log base it's going to be. So looking at that first one, it says log base 3 of 81. So what power on 3 do I need to have to get 81? So 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, that's 3 3s. So 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27, times 3, there's our 81. Okay, so this would be 4, so A goes there. Log base 10 of 100, we've done that many, many times. What power on 10 do I need going around the world? What power on 10 do I need to get 100? There's 2 zeros there, that's how I got it. What power on 8 do I need to get 8? So C goes here. What power on 5 do I need to get 25? So, how about this? D. 5 times 5 is 25. So D also goes to 2. And what power on 2 do I need to get 32? So 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2, 16 times 2. So there you go. No powers of 0 because none of them are 1. No power of 3 because that doesn't work out. And you can use the calculator to check, but notice there 2 has 2 answer choices, and that can be okay. So then you type out your answers underneath. Again, to get it, there's your video, there's your answers. Using the around the world method, you can get them.